In today's fast-paced world, learning new skills efficiently is more important than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we approach education and personal development. With AI-powered tools, learners can now access personalized resources, track their progress, and receive instant feedback, all of which contribute to a faster and more effective learning experience. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help you learn new skills more quickly, from language acquisition to mastering complex technical abilities. Let's dive into the world of AI-driven learning and discover how you can leverage these technologies to accelerate your growth. Before we delve into how AI can help you learn, let's clarify what artificial intelligence actually is. AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. In the context of learning, AI can analyze your strengths and weaknesses, adapt content to your needs, and provide targeted recommendations. By understanding the basics of AI, you'll be better equipped to take advantage of its capabilities in your own learning journey. One of the most powerful ways AI enhances learning is through personalization. Traditional education often follows a one-size-fits-all approach, but AI can tailor learning paths to fit your unique needs and goals. By analyzing your performance and preferences, AI systems can recommend specific lessons, exercises, or resources that will help you progress faster. This means you spend less time on topics you already know and more time on areas where you need improvement, making your learning journey more efficient and enjoyable. AI-powered platforms provide instant feedback on your work, allowing you to quickly identify mistakes and correct them. Whether you're practicing a new language, coding, or solving math problems, immediate feedback helps reinforce learning and prevents you from repeating errors. This real-time assessment is a significant advantage over traditional methods, where feedback might take days or even weeks. With AI, you can continuously improve and stay motivated as you see your progress in real time. AI can design practice sessions that adapt to your current skill level. If you're struggling with a particular concept, the system will provide more exercises and explanations until you master it. Conversely, if you excel in an area, AI will move you forward to more challenging material. This adaptive approach ensures that you're always working at the right level of difficulty, which keeps you engaged and accelerates your learning process. Learning a new language can be challenging, but AI-powered apps make it easier and more effective. These tools use speech recognition, personalized vocabulary lists, and adaptive quizzes to help you practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing. AI can also simulate real-life conversations, giving you the confidence to use your new language skills in practical situations. With AI, language learning becomes more interactive, engaging, and tailored to your needs. If you're interested in learning to code, AI can be a valuable assistant. Many coding platforms now use AI to analyze your code, suggest improvements, and provide instant feedback on errors. Some even offer personalized coding challenges based on your progress. This helps you build programming skills more efficiently and confidently as you receive guidance tailored to your learning pace and style. AI-driven math platforms can break down complex problems into manageable steps, guiding you through each stage of the solution. These systems can identify where you struggle and provide targeted practice to strengthen your understanding. With interactive explanations and instant feedback, you can build a solid foundation in mathematics and tackle more advanced topics with confidence. AI isn't just for technical subjects. It can also help you develop creative skills like writing, music, and art. AI-powered tools can suggest improvements to your writing, generate music based on your preferences, or even help you learn to draw by analyzing your technique. These applications make creative learning more accessible and enjoyable, providing inspiration and guidance every step of the way. One of the key benefits of AI in learning is its ability to track your progress over time. AI systems collect data on your performance, identify patterns, and present you with clear reports on your strengths and areas for improvement. This ongoing analysis helps you stay motivated and focused, as you can see tangible evidence of your growth and adjust your learning strategies accordingly. Managing your time effectively is crucial for learning new skills. AI-powered scheduling tools can help you organize your study sessions, set reminders, and prioritize tasks based on your goals and deadlines. By optimizing your learning schedule, you can make the most of your available time and avoid procrastination, ensuring steady progress toward your objectives. Everyone encounters plateaus during their learning journey, periods when progress seems to stall. AI can help you overcome these challenges by analyzing your learning patterns and suggesting new strategies or resources. Whether it's introducing different types of exercises or adjusting the difficulty level, AI ensures that you continue to grow and stay engaged, even when you hit a rough patch. AI empowers you to learn at a pace that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Unlike traditional classrooms, where everyone moves at the same speed, AI-driven platforms allow you to speed up or slow down as needed. This flexibility means you can spend more time on challenging topics and breeze through easier ones, making your learning experience more comfortable and effective. Many AI-powered learning platforms use gamification to keep you motivated. By incorporating elements like points, badges, and leaderboards, these systems make learning feel like a game. This not only adds a fun element to your studies, but also encourages you to stay consistent and reach your goals. Gamification, powered by AI, transforms the learning process into an engaging and rewarding experience. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide one-on-one support, answering your questions, and explaining difficult concepts in real time. These virtual tutors are available 24/7, so you can get help whenever you need it. By offering personalized explanations and guidance, AI tutors help you overcome obstacles and deepen your understanding of complex topics. AI can also facilitate collaborative learning by connecting you with peers who share similar goals or challenges. Some platforms use AI to form study groups, match you with learning partners, or suggest group projects. This collaborative approach not only enhances your understanding, but also builds a supportive learning community, making the journey more enjoyable and effective. AI opens up access to a vast array of global learning resources. Whether it's online courses, tutorials, or expert lectures, AI can curate content from around the world to match your interests and needs. This means you can learn from the best teachers and materials, regardless of your location, expanding your horizons and opportunities. Staying up to date with the latest technologies is essential in many fields. AI can help you learn about new tools, software, and trends by recommending relevant courses and resources. With AI's ability to analyze your current skills and interests, you can quickly adapt to technological changes and stay ahead in your career. Preparing for exams can be stressful, but AI can make the process more manageable. AI-powered platforms can generate practice tests, identify your weak areas, and suggest targeted study materials. By focusing your efforts where they're needed most, you can improve your performance and approach exams with greater confidence. AI can also help you develop important soft skills like communication, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Through simulations, feedback, and personalized exercises, AI platforms can guide you in practicing these skills in realistic scenarios. This holistic approach ensures you're not only gaining technical knowledge, but also becoming a well-rounded individual. Lifelong learning is essential in today's rapidly changing world. AI makes it easier to continue learning throughout your life by providing accessible, personalized, and up-to-date resources. Whether you're advancing your career, exploring new hobbies, or simply staying curious, AI supports your growth at every stage. AI-powered translation tools can break down language barriers, allowing you to access learning materials in multiple languages. This opens up a world of knowledge and enables you to connect with experts and peers from different cultures. By making information more accessible, AI helps you broaden your perspective and learn from diverse sources. Learning something new can be intimidating, but AI can help reduce anxiety by providing a supportive and non-judgmental environment. With personalized feedback and encouragement, AI platforms help you build confidence and overcome the fear of making mistakes. This positive atmosphere makes it easier to take risks and push your boundaries. AI can make learning more accessible for individuals with special needs. By adapting content to different learning styles and providing assistive technologies, AI ensures that everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Features like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and customized interfaces help break down barriers and create an inclusive learning environment. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and AI helps you learn from them more effectively. By analyzing your errors and providing targeted feedback, AI platforms turn mistakes into valuable learning opportunities. This approach helps you develop resilience and a growth mindset, essential qualities for mastering any new skill. AI can bridge the gap between theory and practice by providing real-world applications of what you're learning. Simulations, case studies, and interactive scenarios help you apply your knowledge in practical situations. This hands-on approach not only deepens your understanding, but also prepares you for real-life challenges. Maintaining motivation over the long term can be challenging, but AI can help by setting achievable goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating your successes. By breaking down your learning journey into manageable steps and providing regular encouragement, AI keeps you focused and inspired to keep moving forward. AI helps you manage your learning resources more efficiently by recommending the most relevant materials and filtering out unnecessary information. This targeted approach ensures that you spend your time and energy on high-impact activities, maximizing your learning outcomes. Microlearning involves breaking down complex topics into small, manageable chunks. AI excels at delivering bite-sized lessons that fit into your busy schedule. By focusing on one concept at a time, you can retain information more effectively and make steady progress, even with limited time each day. AI-powered analytics tools provide deep insights into your learning habits and outcomes. By analyzing data on your study patterns, strengths, and weaknesses, these tools help you make informed decisions about how to adjust your approach for better results. Learning analytics empower you to take control of your educational journey. AI can play a crucial role in your career development by identifying skill gaps and recommending relevant training. Whether you're looking to switch careers or advance in your current field, AI can guide you toward the most valuable skills and certifications, helping you stay competitive in the job market. AI excels at providing personalized recommendations based on your interests, goals, and learning history. Whether it's suggesting new courses, articles, or practice exercises, AI ensures that your learning experience is always relevant and engaging. This level of personalization keeps you motivated and helps you achieve your objectives more efficiently. Developing strong research skills is essential for academic and professional success. AI can assist by quickly finding relevant sources, summarizing key points, and even detecting biases in information. With AI's help, you can become a more efficient and critical researcher, saving time and improving the quality of your work. AI can help you develop effective test-taking strategies by analyzing your performance on practice exams and identifying patterns in your mistakes. By understanding your strengths and weaknesses, AI can suggest specific techniques to improve your scores, such as time management tips or question prioritization. Emotional intelligence is a key factor in personal and professional success. AI can help you develop this skill by providing feedback on your communication style, recognizing emotional cues, and suggesting ways to improve your interactions. By practicing with AI-driven simulations, you can become more empathetic and effective in your relationships. Project-based learning is an effective way to apply knowledge in real-world contexts. AI can help you plan, organize, and execute projects by providing step-by-step guidance, resource recommendations, and progress tracking. This hands-on approach not only reinforces your learning, but also builds valuable problem-solving and collaboration skills. AI encourages a mindset of continuous improvement by constantly monitoring your progress and suggesting ways to enhance your learning. Whether it's recommending new resources, adjusting your study plan, or providing motivational feedback, AI ensures that you're always moving forward and reaching new heights. AI can create personalized learning environments by adapting the interface, content, and pace to your preferences. Whether you prefer visual, auditory, or hands-on learning, AI ensures that your experience is tailored to your unique style, making learning more enjoyable and effective. Accessibility is a key advantage of AI-powered learning platforms. By offering features like voice commands, screen readers, and adjustable text sizes, AI ensures that everyone can access educational content, regardless of physical or cognitive challenges. This commitment to accessibility makes learning more inclusive for all. Earning certifications can boost your career prospects, and AI can help you prepare for certification exams by identifying knowledge gaps and recommending targeted study materials. Some platforms even offer AI-driven assessments that simulate real exam conditions, helping you build confidence and improve your performance. AI can help you connect with learning communities that share your interests and goals. By recommending forums, discussion groups, and online events, AI fosters a sense of belonging and encourages you to share knowledge and experiences with others. This collaborative environment enhances your learning and keeps you motivated. Whether you want to learn photography, cooking, or playing an instrument, AI can guide you through the process with personalized lessons and feedback. By adapting to your pace and interests, AI makes picking up new hobbies more accessible and enjoyable, helping you discover new passions and talents. Safety is important in any learning environment. AI can monitor online interactions, detect inappropriate behavior, and ensure that learning spaces remain respectful and secure. This creates a positive atmosphere where you can focus on your studies without distractions or concerns. The future of learning is bright with AI at the helm. As technology continues to evolve, AI will offer even more advanced tools and resources, making education more personalized, accessible, and effective. By embracing AI, you can stay ahead of the curve and unlock your full potential as a lifelong learner. In summary, AI is revolutionizing the way we learn new skills, making the process faster, more personalized, and more enjoyable. From personalized learning paths to instant feedback and global resources, AI offers countless opportunities for growth. As you explore AI-powered tools, remember to stay curious, set clear goals, and embrace the journey of continuous learning. The future is yours to shape. Start leveraging AI today to unlock your full potential.